welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. Macele and Makhwela are still on vacation. Vacation yabo bawu-2 bathi nje base-holidayini. It's in the morning. They meet up erumini kaMakhwela to have breakfast. And then they sit and start chatting. Bakhuluma ngoMthombeni ukuthi they've been trying to reach him bangamtholi. So finally uMacele calls him and amthole ke, and then athi hawu babakhe kwenze njani ungatholakali. Athe yazini, I saw that you bungifuna but angikwazanga ukubuya kuwena. Athi no, it's okay, I know ukuthi ubukuphi, meaning implying that she knows ukuthi ube kumayeni, so obviously he wasn't going to call her back. So bakhuluma ke athi okay fine, did you phone uMakhwela? Athi cha, I didn't know that I could call her or rather phone her if she's with you. Athi uMacele how uhlulwa yini because abanye wabafonela. And then passes over the phone to Makhwela and then greets her and says ukuthi ni right yini, and then says okay, do you know that I can call you ngizokufonela ke later. And then Makhwela athi Derek, how didn't permission to call me? I didn't know that he needs permission. Why before he didn't need permission umfonela behlala nje ngifonela. And then uMthombeni hangs up. So that's why Makhwela he did not say mama. Anyway, they chat no Macele, to Macele, so they're busy chatting, having a good time. Bahleka kumnandi. Athi uMacele she wants uMakhwela to have friends, no matter how good things are between them. Akusiyena umngani wakhe, she's not her friend, because like when you get close to your sister wife, it ends up being mistaken for your friendship. So nje akafuni logo, they're not friends. UMakhwela must have her own friends. And then she asked her ukuthi akunjani that you cannot go out nomuntu wakho and like go for scans, like your pregnancy scans. UMakhwela nje, it's not nice because the first one obviously she wanted him to be there but she couldn't. And then uMacele athi yazi ubalulekile, you are very important. kuMakhwela uthi uyafika nje izinto ziyema, like ufikile wena kwavela kwame yonke into. And then she says that she is also important. Sometimes she feels the pressure, but she is also important because Yena, she came first. Meaning that because Yena, she came first, she is also important, and that uMakhwela avela athi yes balulekile vele sinamandla. Like what is Macele implying? Is she sort of like encouraging uMakhwela to see what she's important than the other wives or what? Anyway, Umthombeni is out with the boys. They are going fishing. And then they try to fish, but nothing is there. And then Umthombeni talks to Mpumelelo saying that because they had like a bit of a back and forth at the table on the previous episode about Umthombeni was addressing something that Usne did. And that Usne said in the podcast, uMakhumalo no Mangwabe. So when he tried to address that, Mpumelelo stop. So I think he wanted to end that out. Mpumelelo athi ubaba inkinga yakhe ukuthi instead of like mending the situation, uvela nje afake petrol ibe worse. And then he also mentions that thing ukuthi Mpumelelo mentioned also on the at the table ukuthi uma wakhe interrogated him about indaba kaMakhwela number 5. And then yena, because there were other kids laphaya and there was everyone there, he couldn't like say or address her mothers because that would be disrespectful. And if he could remember very well, the only person that was interrogating Mpumelelo kahle was umayeni, umawakhe. So yeah, and I was not going to entertain it. That's why he left it like that, because he didn't want them to feel disrespected. And then guess about family games. The family funa games. Everyone is there. Usnege uhleli nje eceleni, and then uMthembeni tells okay, there'll be 3 teams, umayeni, uMakhumalo no Mangwabe. And then all the wives are going to pick up they're going to pick who they want to be in their teams. Actually, umayeni, okay, she doesn't mind anyone, but I know you must choose a team yakho. Apike uLwandle umayeni, General Puthulwandle no Mawande. And then uMakhumalo athi yena she's picking Usne. Oh, first thing she said she's picking Mnini. Obviously, they get along so well. Ajabule ke Mnini, and they hugged and they say sort of celebrating ukuthi uMakhumalo umkhethile. The next thing uMakhumalo athi yena ukhetha uSne. Athi umnini hawusne akadlali nje, athi uMakhumalo cha uyadlala akabuye ngikhetha yena. I don't know if Makhumalo was trying to be shady or she was just trying to be inclusive kuSne, because she was just sitting there on the side ngathi nje indaba yamagame akayingeni. Wavela uSne wala wancaba wathi yena akadlali. And then she said in her diary and that she was sick, blah blah blah. I think it was just an excuse of not getting involved in the games. And then agcine-ke uMakhumalo enomnini no ingane kaMacele owami. And then uMangwabe wakhetha uMpilo, and she ended up with Mpilo. And then badlale-ke, and very competitive. Makhumalo and Umnini, they were very competitive. Kodwa they played, hey, they had so much fun. Azathi Umselegu, it's nice to see them, the family, playing games like this and having fun and forgetting all the issues that are involved in their homes and the family and the polygamy issues. So it's nice to see this. And in the beginning, Umayeni was saying that she's not like akekho emudini yokudlala namagame akhona, but then as time went on, she was like, yazini, I'm having fun, kumnandi nje kudlala amagame. This is the nice part about vacation. Khumalo Velena, she's always on cloud 9, willing to participate and play. Mangwabe Shem, she was like very happy and participating and playful. It was all beautiful nje to witness, because all the moms and the kids interacting nicely and playing games as a family. Umtombani was happy, the kids were happy, everyone was happy. Except Usni, who was sitting there like nje yena ulahlekile, like she's not part of the family. Also, Mpumelelo was not playing in the games. I don't know what Unyamalele wayapi. I'm wondering. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.